Hello, and welcome to the Charles County Master Gardeners Just for Kids video series. My name is Teresa Jones, and I'm a Charles County Master Gardener. Today I will be demonstrating how to make a self-watering planter from the kit that you have been provided. In your kit, you have instructions. You also have a water bottle that has been cut in half. You will have the lid to the Coke bottle through which cord has been threaded. I also tied a knot in one end of the cap. Of course, you have your potting soil, and we're providing you with seeds. In this case, it will be corn seeds. Very simple. First step, you're going to screw your cap, or this is actually called a wick, onto the bottle, and you're going to place it on top. You're going to add your potting soil. And you are ready to plant your seeds. The corn seeds you would put about 1/2 inch into the soil, and then you want to just lightly pack it. Final step, we need water. You're going to add water. And there you have it. Now all you need to do is watch your seeds grow. I hope you've had a great time and your seeds will be very successful.
We hope you have enjoyed watching our video. We welcome you to share photos of your activity on the Charles County Master Gardeners, University of Maryland Extension Facebook page. Also, please visit our website resources page at the URL shown on the screen and click on Just for Kids for more activities and information. Thank you for watching.